Hello everybody and welcome here to another video tutorial from ACOnetwork. Today is all about controlling some other computer. It is called Remote Desktop Control. And we will do it with a program named Teamviewer. So, there are many versions, many types of programs that can provide this kind of thing, but for today is only Teamviewer. So, if you're interested, stay tuned and let's start. So we can start using Teamviewer. We need first to download it. Open any internet browser you want, Google Chrome, Microsoft Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge, whatever you want. In the search, just type in Teamviewer and press enter. This is Teamviewer main page, but we will go directly to download page. Just click download Teamviewer. As you see, Teamviewer is made for many operating systems. But as you see, Windows operating system is selected because we are in Windows. If you just want someone to connect to your computer and you do not need to connect to some other computer, you just go click quick support, this blue button, to download it. But if you want to connect to some other computer, and some other computers can connect to your computer, and you want to have many other options, then you need Teamviewer full version. That is download Teamviewer. This button green, just click on it. As you see down here, quick support is already downloaded, but Teamviewer setup for installation is still downloading. Let's open Teamviewer quick support for demonstration. It needs some time to open up, but when it will open, quick support window. This is your ID, so identification number of your computer for Teamviewer, and this is password. So when someone wants to connect to your computer, just send him this ID and this password. And when someone will connect to you, it will be shown like this. So now I am operating this computer from another computer. So I can right click, I can write, and so on. And when I disconnect, it returns all back. Let's close this window and let's start full installation. So for full version of Teamviewer. When this window pops up, just close it. Or if you want, you can read what's in it and so on, but I do not need this window, so I will close it. Let's open Teamviewer full version setup. Let's minimize Google Chrome. For basic use, we will check basic installation or run only. So if you want to just run this Teamviewer only once, so you can test it, or you do not want to install, just click run only once. If you want to install on a computer, so you can later select specific password. So if you are at work or wherever on the world, you just need ID and password you select, and that is what we will do. Here under how do you want to use Teamviewer, I will select personal. If you are a company and Teamviewer will be used in company, you will need to purchase license number on Teamviewer webpage, but because we'll be using for personal use, for demonstration use, I will just click personal and accept. We need to wait till installation is finished. So as you see now, Teamviewer is installed. This is just presentation window, so you can see what is each part of this Teamviewer. When you are done, just click close. And that is it, Teamviewer full version. So if you want to connect to another computer and you have ID and password, just write ID here. Just press enter or click connect, write in the password and click log on. I wrote wrong password, that is the right password. So as you can see, I now can control this other window. I can maximize it, I can go view, select scaled, so it scales smaller desktop, it will scale to your window size, original, best fit. You can also click actions to reboot computer. If you press this arrow, you can reboot or reboot the safe mode. You can send key combination and so on. There are many functions what you can do here. If you click home, you can get some information about this computer. Let's click back, and if you click this X, you will close the connection. But you can also get smaller window just by clicking this icon, switch to full screen mode, and you can move, or you can minimize to tab and so on. Let's close it. Let's click X. And that is just notification that was free, sponsored by Teamviewer.com and so on. If you have the license, Teamviewer will not show this notification, and click OK. Next thing is configuration of Teamviewer. If you want to start Teamviewer with Windows, so every time you turn on computer, every time Teamviewer will start up. Just click Start Teamviewer with Windows, and immediately you will see that password will change. It will have letters and numbers. So let's say you are somewhere in the office, you are working, or halfway around the world, and you want to connect to your computer via Teamviewer, but you do not know what is the password, what is the current password, because every time Teamviewer opens, every time will Teamviewer change the password. So to set one password, just click these password options and set personal password. In these two boxes, write in the password you want and click OK, and password is set. So everywhere you are, just remember this ID and password you just write in, and you can connect to a computer. Another configurations are, let's go extras, options, and here first one is Teamviewer name. You can write in whatever you want. As we said before, default password right here. Now it is checked that Teamviewer will start with the Windows. Another option is to connect over local area connection, over local network, just by typing in IP address of another computer. If you want to enable this function, click this incoming random connections and change deactivated to accept. But if you click accept exclusively, it will only accept local connections, not connections over the internet via identification number. So let's click only accept. So difference between connecting to ID or to IP in another is that you can use however long you want over IP, but over ID you are limited monthly, some hours. I do not know how many hours, but you can use Teamviewer for many hours. Next thing is click security. Here, as you see, we already defined this password. You can change it here. If you click remote control under display, when you connect to other computer, image background will disappear, will set at black, as we seen earlier when I connected to another my computer. But if you want to see background desktop image, just untick this. But for performance, it's better to check it. If you check show your partner cursor, it will show other computers cursor. You can also check that all the sounds that guest computers creates, like music or whatever other computer hears, you can hear it too. But basically I uncheck this because it can be annoying. But still, if you want to listen to guest computer sounds, you can check it right on the Teamviewer bar when you are connected. You can record each session if you want automatically. In meeting you can choose quality or optimize speed, or you can change custom settings, so you can set what quality, how many colors and so on, but I will choose optimize quality. But if you have a slower internet connection or guest computer has slower internet connection, just click optimize speed. But all this you can change when you are connected to a computer. Click OK. You can also sign up for an account for Teamviewer and add computers for friends, for coworkers and so on. You can add it, and easier to just double click and it will connect to this computer. Over Teamviewer you can also transfer files, folders, pictures, images. You can remote control as we did before, and so on.
So that was it for today. If you like the video, of course give thumbs up, share the video with your friends, co-workers, family and so on. Of course comment the video, what you liked, what you didn't like and so on. And of course subscribe to my channel for more videos. Have a nice day, bye bye!